let's take a look at some operations. First of all, to create a new file, again, we can use type null, followed by this symbol, followed by the name of the file that we want to create. So let's, for example, say we are going to create the file bestenemies.txt. So now we created this file right here. We don't have anything inside of it. So again, let's delete bestenemies.txt and let's create this file again. But this time we want to have some content inside of it. So we can use echo followed by some text, so some content, for example. And we could, for example, say solo leveling will be the content in there. And now we can use this symbol right here, followed by the name of the file. We don't have this file yet, so we are going to say bestenemies.txt again. And this symbol means whatever we have to the left, so whatever kind of content we have right here, will be submitted to this file after this symbol right here. So we're echoing this content into this file. So let's execute this one. As you can see, we now have best enemies right here. Let's open that file. And as you can see, we're also having solo leveling. If I would execute the same command again though, so echo, let's say MHA, so My Hero Academia, and we are going to get that into bestenemies.txt. We're going to execute this command, but this one is going to override this file. So having this symbol once is going to override the existing file with the new content. So now we only have MHA. To add something to a file, so to add more content to a file, we could say echo solo leveling. Now we need this symbol twice, followed by the name of the file, like so. And as you can see, now we have MHA and solo leveling. So we appended something to the end of this file. Now we also have the opportunity to use a command over multiple lines by using echo. And now let's say solo, followed by this symbol right here. And this means now I can press enter and get into a new line. So I can, for example, say wayo, followed by this symbol once again, for example. So now I can again go into a new line. Ayo, for example, followed by this symbol. So now I can again go into a new line. Now let's say I want to get this into bestenemies.txt again. Let me press enter. As you can see, we executed this command. Let's open this one. And now we have solo wayo ayo. So as you can see, by using this symbol, we can write over multiple lines. So if you want to write a comment over multiple lines, this might make sense because maybe a line gets super long. If you want to combine two commands at the same time, you can use an and symbol. So we can, for example, say echo solo leveling. We want to get that into bestenemies.txt. So we are overriding whatever we have inside of this file. But now we also want to add something to this file. So we can say echo Dragon Ball. And we are going to add that one to bestenemies.txt. So we are creating this file essentially and adding solo leveling, and we are appending by using this symbol Dragon Ball to bestenemies.txt. Let's execute. Now again we have this file right here, and we are having solo leveling and Dragon Ball. So this seems to work.